What's he looking at?
Yeah, you see his face?
Izzy said he likes looking at only if only he could point. If only he was like, look over there. Look over there, Cameron. What? He just pulled Magnum. He just pulled off the remote. You did it! I know, I turned around. Okay. Izzy said he likes looking at walls. Oh, I thought that was going to be one. Does this head have to be like this? He's like... Hey, Tim! You see that? That's how it's supposed to be. I'm probably yelling way too much. Okay, I get it. Are you almost there? On my face! I'm trying to pat your back, but like, I don't want to... Oh. He's got a look in his eyes. He's like crazy eyes. Come on, got it. Is that it? It's 2 hours. Okay, that's 2 hours. He's gonna show his face right when he throws. Right into your mouth. Just milk tea. Oh, you see his face? No, but I got it on camera. So. I'm like straining my neck trying to look. He's like looking at nothing. This is like a fruit on the wall. Yeah! Hey! Pretty sure I caught a whiff of that one. Nice. That's what I'm doing. Good one. You know what? How much does he do that? Probably go for one more.